Hey, this is Elisa with WTI. Looking for a bench that's not just pretty but actually useful? This acacia storage bench by Gashell might be your new favorite piece. It's where style meets function. It's made from solid acacia wood so it's sturdy enough to sit on every day. Perfect for resting, putting on shoes, or just taking a quick break. Inside, there's plenty of storage space for blankets, shoes, or laundry, keeping everything neat and organized. The smooth finish means no sharp edges, so it's totally family friendly. And the natural wood tone gives it that cozy boho Scandinavian vibe that fits anywhere entryway, bedroom, or even the bathroom. This is easy to assemble with clear instructions, aesthetically pleasing, and super practical. So, if you want furniture that looks great and actually works for your space, this bench checks every box. And that's my point of view.